All right, good morning, AP Computer Science students. Here's what's going on today. Hopefully you're watching this intro video here, and then we're going to start a new chapter on recursion. It's really important that you watch these videos, right, and try to make sense of them. It'll set up the rest of the chapter, so I'm banking on you digging into these and doing your best with them. While you're watching the videos, I would encourage you to make, do a new Java project, file new Java project like we normally do. Call it chapter 13, and then do the normal thing like we do in file new package or whatever, and then file new class and make one called recursive examples. Okay, and you can just kind of type some of the code along with me, and you'll have a bunch of methods in this file by the end of the chapter. But for now, you can just do the ones that are in the video and kind of play around with it and see if you can make sense of what's going on by digging in and trying some of the codes yourself. Okay, and that does mean like if the videos are going kind of fast or something, you can stop them and play around a little bit. But that's your goal, is just to really start to understand it. And I'm hoping these videos will get you there. Recursion is basically a method that calls itself over and over again, kind of like a loop, but just sort of a different way to do it. It's pretty weird the first time you see it, but once you kind of get the hang of it, it's not too bad. So that's what you're going to be doing. And then if you have extra time at the end, you can be working on finishing up your data project if you're not done with that. And then there is a set of questions, chapter 3 programs, chapter 13 programs. You can see them here. There is some starter codes for them, and there's your directions. All right, that's all I got. Hope it's a good day. Bye.